Hi, I'm Jeff Villeneuve with your condo store. I'd like to introduce you to the Highmark, a spectacular new condo project coming soon to Pickering by Highmark Homes. To register for advanced access or simply be kept in the loop, please click the link below. Highmark and their team have thought just about everything. This 12 and 16 story building's exterior was architecturally designed to offer minimal imposition of height to the surrounding low density neighborhood, thereby fitting in cohesively with the homes around it. In addition, the building site is very large, allowing for maximum green space, not to mention rooftop amenities with additional green space. The location of the Highmark is ideal and offers tremendous community amenities, water parks, cinemas, nature, but still less than 26 minutes to downtown Toronto by GO train. Just up the street is the Pickering Town Centre and City Hall. Right next door will be a future park, and along Kingston Road, Durham Region and Metrolinx are planning rapid transit. Not to mention it's only 5 minutes away from the 401 and just a short jaunt to the 407. The Highmark also offers a massive amount of building amenities. From your sun zone to your yoga zone to your play zone, there are plenty of at-home recreational and fitness areas for you at the Highmark. You'll have co-working space, party room, sports bar, many other life-enriching amenities. This wellness-themed condo development is raising the bar on high-rise living. The Highmark also goes above and beyond to deliver with stylish, open-concept suites and smartly designed features and finishes. You'll have designer-selected engineered wood, quartz countertops, premium cabinetry, chef-inspired kitchen appliances, keyless entry, automated thermostat and light control, and other smart features by Highmark, and this is just to name a few. Living in the heart of a big city doesn't mean you have to sacrifice natural green spaces for urban conveniences. The Highmark Condo offers residents the best of both worlds. Whether you're an investor or simply looking for a place to call home, the Highmark will not disappoint. For advanced early access or to be kept in the loop, contact me, Jeff Villeneuve, or click the link below.